Hi! So today we're going to be working on rolling a ball with proper technique. All you're going to need is a ball. You can use whatever size you prefer. I recommend going just a little bit bigger. You're going to need some bubbles and a box with some nails inside as a source of sound. You can use a cone if you have that on hand as well. Let's get into it.
You want to make sure that your bubbles and your box of nails are not too far away from each other. You then want your dominant foot to be placed in front of the bubbles while your non-dominant is placed behind. The bubbles should be in between the dominant and non-dominant foot. As you lunge down, the knee hits the bubbles. This is the signal to release the ball in this position. The ball is going to come back and hit the dominant kneecap to make sure that it's going to go in a straight line and hit our target.
The woman lunges down and hits the bottle full of bubbles with her knee, then releases the ball towards the box of nails after tapping it on her knee a few times and successfully knocks down the box of nails.
Making my target have sound has been very helpful because now, without even seeing if I hit the target or not, I know I did because of the sound that it made.
A slide is shown and states we can utilize these rolling techniques into sports such as bowling and goalball.
If this task becomes too easy, we can make it more challenging by placing the bubbles and the box of nails further away from each other.
The woman demonstrates the same techniques, however, now the box is further away to increase the difficulty.
Since our target was very small, I recommended using a bigger ball for this activity. However, I'm using a small ball here because the task was too easy and I wanted to make it more difficult. There's so many ways to modify this activity. You can take away targets, you can make bigger targets, smaller, and continue to make it more challenging.
The woman now demonstrates herself using a smaller baseball-sized ball, using the same techniques to increase difficulty. A reminder appears on the screen in white letters and states, "Make sure form is maintained." Thank you for watching All Things Adapted.